just too good to be true. I never had a girlfriend or ano, pero meron akong tao na special siya sa akin. She was my classmate. Palagi ko rin siyang kasama-sama pag umuwi. Uy, uy. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You feel like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. As long as love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too take my eyes off you. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm my lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't bring me down.
Beautiful rendition of Can't Take My Eyes Off You. Talaga naman nakatitig kaming lahat sa iyo sa performance mong yan. Pero tignan natin kung na-mesmerize ba ang mga judge at ang ating jury sa iyong performance. Mr. Gerard?
Hi, Bugoy. Ganda nung arrangement, ganda nung boses mo, ha? Kaso lang, ang dami yung mga akorde yung kanta na hindi mo natamaan yung mga nota ng akorde. So, siguro, ewan ko kung kasalanan mo yun o kasalanan nung nag-coach sa'yo. I don't know kung kanino yung responsibility, pero hindi mo natamaan yung mga notang dapat tamaan. At dahil doon, nakaka-distract. Kapag nakaka-distract, hindi nakakarating yung mensahe ng kanta at nababawasan yung effectiveness mo as a singer. So, yun.